my channel and to another video. I hope you are doing fantastic. Today we are going to talk about new Burberry release, and it is Burberry Goddess. This is newest perfume by this house. So if you are interested, what is my take and what is my opinion about this fragrance, please stay with me. My name is Justina. This is my perfume world. If you like it here, please consider subscribing, leaving comment, leave a like, dislike, and let's go. So Burberry Goddess is the newest release from Burberry, and I must say right away, I really appreciate the fact that it is not another flanker of, I don't know, her or any other Burberry fragrance. It is standalone new fragrance, so I'm very happy about it, because as you know, now in mainstream we have tons of flankers, and I think it's just pointless. I like to have a new fragrance and, you know, new experience basically, so that's a big plus. Burberry Goddess is marketed as vanilla fragrance, so I was very interested about it. Currently vanilla is my slight obsession. I really like this extractive vanillic fragrances, so I was very curious to test it out, and I have worn it yesterday for the whole day, and today I'm coming to you with my review. So yeah, let's start. So this fragrance was released this year, 2023, and it's created by Amandine Clerc-Marie. And what do we have in the notes? As I said, it's mainly vanillic fragrance, but what else do we have in here? So in the top notes, we have vanilla, lavender, cacao, and ginger. In the heart notes, we have caviar, vanilla caviar. Those are the seeds of the vanilla. You can scrape with the knife, and it's, you know, inside the vanilla. And in the base, we have vanilla absolute. So as you can see, we have less of vanilla here, and we also have lavender and ginger. So I think it's a very original twist to the fragrance. And right away I will tell you, because I saw the comparisons on Fragrantica, and many people compare this fragrance to Mon Guerlain from Guerlain, and I cannot agree with that at all. This fragrance is not similar, for me at least, at all to Mon Guerlain. So if you are maybe afraid of similarity, or you were expecting similarity to this fragrance from Guerlain, it is not it. Also, I saw comparisons to YSL Libre. It is not similar at all as well. So I do not understand those comparisons. The fact that it has lavender doesn't mean that it's similar to those creations. I think this creation stands on its own. It has its own DNA. So another plus for that, because I feel quite tired of mainstream releases. You know, they are really redundant and they are almost the same. For example, we had Prada Paradox that for me smells exactly like My Way from Giorgio Armani. I know that maybe some people like it more because in My Way, in Giorgio Armani, they felt something off. But in general, I think most of the fragrances, most of the new releases are just redundant. This one is like the unique new release. So as I said, I'm really happy about that. I have it here, and I also have like 5 ml decant of this fragrance. My lovely viewer sent it over to me just yesterday, so I'm very, very happy to have it. And I must say, it's a very pleasant vanilla scent. If you like vanilla that is gourmand, you won't find it here. Basically, it's slightly gourmandish, but basically for me it's like a fresher vanilla scent, and this scent actually is perfect, it's suitable for every occasion. It is perfect day-to-day vanilla, and at the same time this fragrance is very elegant. So if you are looking for universal vanilla you can take with you anywhere, you can, you know, dress down this vanilla, you can dress up, and you can wear it casually, elegant, I think this scent will be for you. And you know, I cannot tell you that it is something original. It is not. I have the impression that, you know, you can find basically similar fragrances, but I need to say that it's very, very pleasant fragrance. If you're looking for a vanillic crowd pleaser, I think this fragrance will be for you as well. So if you are looking for a unique vanilla, basically, it may be not for you. But if you are interested to check what is new and really nice in mainstream perfumery, I think you can go and check out Burberry Goddess, because I think it's a quite quite good new release. As for the price, for me, it's wildly overpriced. I do not know what is your take regarding this matter, but as for me, it is too expensive. It costs like niche perfume, so I would much prefer to get niche perfume, something more unique and original in the DNA than Burberry Goddess, but it's only me. You know, when I pay a lot for perfume, like a niche price, it shouldn't be a mainstream, right? If I would need to pay like this price for a mainstream perfume, it would need to be like something very, very unique, very original. It is not this in this case. However, if you find this fragrance nice and if you will find it discounted, I think you should buy it, because why not? You know, it is universally pleasing. When it comes to lasting power, on me it is quite moderate. First 2 hours, I get really good projection of this fragrance. It is nice, as I said, it's fresh vanilla combined with ginger, so ginger gives it special zing. And lavender, it's not that masculine, so you do not have to worry about that. But as I said, longevity is not great, at least on me. However, of course, you should check it for yourself, because I don't know, longevity for me, at least, is very subjective, you know. Sometimes there are days that I have like very good longevity on certain fragrances. Sometimes there is a day that everything disappears from me, even the strong fragrances. So it's dependable on a day, on your, by the day, you know, by your skin. So you need to test it out. I think also that this fragrance would be a perfect unisex vanilla scent. So even though it's marketed as Goddess, marketed as a woman fragrance, I think if you're an adventurous man in the lookout for, you know, unique vanilla, fresh vanilla, I think Burberry Goddess can be on your radar as well. I think vanilla used in this fragrance may pull very attractive on a male skin. So if you like the idea of having like this womanly perfume on your skin, you're looking for unique vanilla, not too sweet, not too gourmand, I think Burberry Goddess will be for you. If you are a man, I do not know why you should not test the fragrance only because it's marketed towards women, towards men. I wear whatever smells good on me and to me, so I do not care about you know, gender here when it comes to the fragrances. So overall, I think it's a really good, really nice new release from Burberry. I have it here and it's really, really nice. Oh, something is flying outside my window, so do not mind the noise. So I think overall it's a really nice and pleasing new release from Burberry. Let me know if you have tested Burberry Goddess. Also, I was watching a video from the perfume guy, Sebastian, and he was raising the idea of naming perfumes from a different brand, like with the same word. And here we have Burberry Goddess, whereas also we have Alien Goddess. And I was kind of expecting that maybe this fragrance will be sharing like similar qualities to Alien Goddess. Luckily not. I do not quite like an Alien Goddess. It is not unique for me. It is like, you know, normal beachy scent. Nothing unique. I do not quite like this DNA. For me, this one is much, much better. However, as I said, nothing groundbreaking, so you need to test it out. However, I still think it's a quite good new release, and of course we can expect like flood of flankers after that. I'm very, very sure of that. Whenever we have a new fragrance in the line of some brand, we can expect flankers. So I expect Burberry Goddess Intense, Le Parfum, Floral, or anything like that in this vein. For sure we will get it. And now when there are flankers, I'm losing my interest. I would love for a brand to, you know, come up with something new, completely new fragrances for me. It would be much more interesting, not just, you know, chase the fame of the original, of the previous first fragrance that was released, but it's only me, you know. Maybe it's needed when it comes to marketing. I don't know. Probably they just want to make more money of it. So as usual, mainstream doesn't offer anything very too exciting. But if you're looking for something nice, good smelling, pleasantly smelling, not cheap smelling, because this vanilla here doesn't smell cheap, and I really appreciate that, because sometimes in mainstream you can have this vanilla like very synthetic, very plasticky, and I really do not like this effect. Here we have like really good quality vanilla. That's what I like, so I think it's a plus. Not for the price, but as I said, if you find it heavily discounted, you can take it. For me, this 5 ml is enough for me. I won't be buying my bottle because it doesn't excite me as much. It is not that unique that I need to have it. It's very pleasant, but I have much more exciting perfume in my collection, that's for sure. However, as I said, if you want to know my opinion about Burberry Goddess, here you are. It is nice, not for me, but it's a pleasant wear overall. So let me know if you have tested Burberry Goddess. What is your opinion about this new fragrance from Burberry? Thank you very much for watching today, and see you in my next videos. Bye bye.